Somewhere I want you to push your shoulders over from the center line to the outside. Please grow up. So turn one way or the other. Which way are we going to do it? So come down the center line away from me from this end and put your right leg on stronger pressure and want your shoulders to go across to the outside track.
To leg yield or?
Well, it's sort of leg yield. Just
yeah.
turn now. Now push the front legs over. It's not really a leg yield because you're going to have a lot more bend and a lot more shoulder leading. If you try and do that from your leg, not by taking your hands across, it does it quite well. It's all right. Now you want her to do that and stay round. So half circle again to the center, walk on. So you're going to just be a little stronger with the reins when she starts shoving her neck up there. But be very slow about it. Push over. Be very slow. Slow with your hands. So nothing fixed. Now I want this rounder. That's it, rounder. That's it. Walk on. Walk from the center, right? Down the center. Walk on. Keep a beautiful feel. Keep a beautiful feel. Keep the feel. Keep the feel. Push the shoulder over. It should be just a stronger pressure of your right leg. If she doesn't listen, I would use the whip on the shoulder. So, just to slap her over, educate her. What you want to try and avoid is this feeling that you're taking your hands over to the outside. So I don't want to neck bring her over. I want to be pushing her over. Now push over. Shut up. Shut up. Leg forward, push over. That's it. Well done. Change the rein, do the same thing from the other leg. Now as you start doing these things, you've got to be careful because your instinct when you do these things is to block up and become still with your hand again. Don't be still with your hand. Quiet contact. Smooth contact. Don't flap your legs. Just be quiet. Good. You actually know all this stuff. Now front legs over, whip on the inside, whip on the shoulder quickly, give it a slap over. That's it. The difference between this and leg yield is that in this exercise, I want the shoulder to greatly lead the exercise. I want a lot more bend and a lot more shoulder over. I personally don't find the conventional leg yield as an test to be of the slightest value. This exercise I do every day, every horse. Newly broken babies through to Grand Prix. Whip on the shoulder. That was not so good. This, if you think about it, moving the shoulder over from your inside leg, this is half of shoulder in. This is the leg with the shoulder in. You want this feeling that you can move the front legs over from the leg anytime I want to. I want to do it without using the hand. So, rounder, please. Rounder, rounder, rounder. So you can be a bit stronger now with your reins. Don't get too much bend. Front legs over. And just smooth and simple. Not fixing your hands, but being quite strong with the rein when she sticks her neck up like that. You've got to show her that that is not so good for her. Come on, show her. Turn again at the center. Push over. You take both reins stronger if she shoves her neck. If you go lighter with both reins, she stays round. Go on, front legs over. Good. And when she is round, then just go soft and go with her. Well done. Well done. Be soft and be beautiful. Not loose, just there. Good. Very good. Now push over. Push down. Very good. That's perfect. That's as simple as that. That's brilliant. That was perfect. So that to me is not leg yield, obviously. And this to me is a hugely valuable exercise. Leg yielding itself is a waste of space as far as I'm concerned. So you all right with that so far?
Yep.
Right. Now you're going to keep the feel, sweetheart. Keep that feel. Now trot on. And I want to do the same pushing over exercise in trot now. Trot. Turn. Push like now. Smooth. Push over. Leg forward. Go water, you have to learn two things from the inside leg. If you give it a kick, it means go forwards. And if you just press, it means move your shoulders the other way. So these are two different aids for which we expect two different reactions. It is as simple as that. Very good. Very good. Very good. Brilliant. Trot. Brilliant. Well done. Shoulder over. Seat over to your inside more if you can. Keep your inside heel down. You are bending to the inside. Don't bend to the inside. Well done. Let's change the range of the same exercise the other way. No bending. Think about what you're offering her. Come on. Get out of it. Feel how instinctive it is to move your hands across to the outside. Because she does not move well enough off your inside leg, it will feel incredibly difficult not to neck rein her over with your hand. Use the whip on the shoulder, tap her on the shoulder to encourage her to step over more from this leg. Not so much that inside rein, more the whip on the shoulder. Turn earlier, push earlier. Turn, push like now. That's the feel. That is the feel. Turn no later than the center if you can. Keep that feel on that outside rein. Did you get the idea? Yeah. You feel how strong the desire is to do it incorrectly. And that's not you being weak. It's the same for us all. Same when you come to ride shoulder in, the desire to grab the inside rein is bloody huge. Sometimes it's insurmountable. Keep that feel with the rein. Don't sound Good stuff. Very good. Very good. Very soft. Very good. Very,
might
very
be
good.
after all these lessons.
Yeah, little do you know.
Just don't say too much.
Very, very good. Okay, now the next stage we do, once we've got a bit of control of the shoulder like that.
It's a lovely horse.
Still,
It's going a lot nicer.
Sort of sloppy with your rein. But once you've got control of the shoulder, the next stage is to say, right, can we go a bit faster and slower?